Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Raissa A. I'm from Al Madinah Islamic Junior High School. So today, I would like to share with you guys how to make strawberry smoothies with hand. What we need is a lot of ice cubes, a sachet of hand strawberry ice cream mix, and ceres. To make smoothies, we need a blender, glass, and spoon. First, put a lot of ice cubes to the blender. Next, pour the water and add the hand ice cream mix strawberry. Third, mix it till it mixes. After that, pour it to the glass. Ceres as a topping. Ta-da! This is smoothie strawberry by me. So, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh, we apa tadi? To the glass.